Hey guys, welcome, and today I've brought the Anker Soundcore Life P2. Now this is one hell of a good Bluetooth earphones and many people are recommending this. So this what we have here for you guys also to know. We're going to be unboxing this. We're going to check hands-on review and see if it's really good. Now the features of this Bluetooth earphones are it does give you a crystal clear noise cancellation because each piece of earphone does have two mics, and the next thing is it does give you 7 hours of playtime plus 40 hours with charging case. Now you can also have a superior sound as they say with the graphene drivers. And one last thing which is very important for those who are into running, and this is good, it does have IPX7 rating. Now this is waterproof. You can even literally shower in it, like that much waterproof. So not recommended for swimming, actually, not due to waterproof issues, because the rush, the flow of the fluid might pull off and then yeah, it's gonna get lost. So my advice is this is good for jogging, sweating, or in the rain. So this is what it means. Nonetheless, let's go into unboxing this Soundcore. So this is the box here. We can see it's pretty nice looking box, and at the back we got all the features which I stated except for the one-step pairing and charge 10 minutes, listen for 1 hour. That's their claim, and loved by 10 million plus people, not in this Bluetooth earphones but with all their products which they have, the Soundcore. So as you can see, the photo which shows the mic here and down, that's where you're going to talk to, and that's where it's gonna take the ambient sound, the environment sound, and cancel it off for the listeners who's gonna listen to your voice. So let's crack this up. Got some guides here, as we can see, a lot of guides, and how do we sound. It's and we're happy that you're happy. Well, why not help other people? Here's something special. Tell your friend this is just for spreading the news about the Soundcore if I do like them, of course, and the guides, of course, the pairing and every instructions for you guys to know. And what's that? All right, all the guides which we can have a look at the box now. Particularly if you see there is this Type-C cable, so it's a good one with USB-A to Type-C. So because usually many of the charging ports still have a Type-A, so usually when you're at friends or charging in the car, so you might require this. Nonetheless, this is one, and you can see the Q-tips or the ear for the fixing purpose. Now it depends, and they have 4 sets. Maybe the 5th one is inside it. I have no idea when it's going to open. We'll see that if we do require to place it in, or they have the 5th one pair here. So these are all the sizes. I don't know who's going to use this size, but nonetheless, it's good to know that the largest size is there, and these looks the same, by the way. So what else? Nothing. And the final and the most important product, good glass cover. I'm gonna remove it, and some information, and this information is for pairing purpose, of course. So this is how you pair it, and remove the what you can say, the seal or cover. 5 minutes of charging, and you're gonna remove them, and then you're gonna plug them in. So you need to charge it while the headphones are in the box. So let's look at it first. This is what you're looking at, the Soundcore box, and once you're gonna open them, they really look nice, and yes, so that the pins doesn't touch with that, so there will be no drain in battery of the box itself. Nonetheless, it's magnetic, yeah, not that strong, but the magnet is there. You can see the medium sort of pulling range. So yeah, they do give. So this is the 5th pair right here. And definitely this is LED lights, if you can see clearly, and there will be also an LED light here. On the box it's made prone to get scratch. Quality is like that, but the quality nonetheless is better. And all the information, and on the back side the Type-C port. And keep in mind this is not wireless charging compatible, so you cannot charge this wirelessly, just a Type-C port. So let's go ahead and check it. I've got a phone right here and see if it's possible to go, or we'll go with the guide, first charge it, and if it doesn't require some charging, we can just go straight into it. I'm just gonna peel it off, and these are like stickers. Yep, gonna give me a moment. Yes, now we're gonna place them and check. So how do we know which one is for which? If I'm gonna place them anywhere, is it possible? No. So you're gonna know by looking at this side that this is L, so you're gonna place them in L. This R, you're gonna place them in R. Yeah, the magnets are better. Actually, it's because of these stickers. The magnets were not holding the earphones that well, so now it's much better. So it's actually charged. You can see the LED, the left one turned off means it is fully charged, and the right one needs to get charged, I think, or maybe it's gonna go out, I have no idea. Nonetheless, let's check and open it up. I've kept it ready, Bluetooth, and I'm gonna remove one, and it should probably blink. And let's see, pair new device. Yes, it did picked up within maybe 3 seconds, and there we go. Pairing, allow access, and again, and that's it. 100% battery life. Now both are got connected. Amazing earphones, I really like them. What, they're gonna be like blinking all the time? Let's see again. Yes, so it's good in the night. You're gonna be like wearing them in your ears, and it's gonna be blinking every 2-3 seconds, so it's gonna be looking amazing. So really good. Now let's test them out. How does it sound? So paired up, and let's see, left, right. I'm gonna plug them in and see the fitting. It fits quite nice. This one is a bit loose. Sometime one of your you can say the fitting needs to be changed, so it depends on how the internal of your ear is. So this one is quite fit in this one. Nonetheless, it's okay, and this is how it looks. You're gonna face these towards your mouth for if you're on calls or something to get much clearer. And they're already paired up in this Nokia phone, and got my YouTube open. Let's see some action and see how clear the sound is. Okay, volume is mid-ranged, 50%, and see the clarity. And I don't find bass in this headphones much as compared to other Bluetooth earphones. This is what I'm hearing right now. The quality of audio is, yeah, so definitely the volume I increased to 80%, and the audio quality of the music is not up to that part which I expected. Definitely, I don't know, it's supposed to be a clear sound, so maybe the clarity it means for calling purpose, but definitely the music, the deep bass is not there, what I'm feeling. Surprisingly, I'm listening to Lil Nas X Holiday as the new song he just released, and that has quite a bit of punch, not punch, but it is there, and I'm sure you guys have heard it, and this doesn't have quite punch. I can't feel the bass in this one. So yeah, these earphones are not for music purpose, not for entertainment, not for, it's just good for the voice call. You can listen to music, not saying that, but you won't get that extra juice of that bass. By the way, it works still well if you use much more insulated, like isolating the ears. Change the tips just to make sure if you get the most out of the bass part. Now for the these things, these are not touch, and definitely by pressing it, it's a very light press you need, not that much, so it does pause, play and pause. I can see by double tapping it, it jumps to the next audio track. By triple tapping it, it does nothing. So by pressing it once, it pause play. By double tapping it, it goes to the next track. Now let's see with the left one. If I double press on this side, and if it, what does it do? Yes, by pressing left earphone, double tapping it, does goes to the back track. So you press this 2 times, next track. What about pressing it once, pausing it? So there you have it. These are the Soundcore Life P2. Now you know, everybody knows now how the quality is. I've given you, and my recommendation is just for any cause or listening to podcasts. Yes, you'll get very clear, and the audio response is very fast. As soon as I press play button, it gets the audio comes very quickly here, not as compared to the other cheap headphones. So yeah, the connectivity is very good in this one. Now hope you guys enjoyed this video, you found this helpful, and what are your thoughts on this? Any questions? I would rather like to know, comment below. And if you do like this video, give a thumbs up and do subscribe to this channel for more reviews, more contents, more news coming out in the future. And see you guys in the next video.